Hello children. Children, today we are going to learn what is the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Children, I have already explained you adjectives and pronouns, and also I have given lots of examples. I have also explained you different kinds of adjectives and pronouns. So there we have learned demonstrative adjectives, and in pronouns we have learned demonstrative pronouns. But today I am going to teach you the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. What happens, children, when we give a sentence where you can find demonstrative adjective or pronoun, so many children get confused whether it is demonstrative adjective or whether it is demonstrative pronouns. So let's start, children. What is the difference between demonstrative adjective and pronouns? So before learning the difference, we will learn what is the meaning of this word demonstratives. So demonstratives are words that show which person or thing is being referred to or indicated to. Fine. So there are certain words, children, which we use in demonstrative adjective and pronouns. For example, this, that, these, those, and there is one more word, such. Such men are kind. Fine, all children. So such is also a demonstrative word. So children, like you can see here, this, that, these, and those. In class 1 or 2, you already have learned that this is the singular form of these, and that is the singular form of those. And you know what is the meaning of this and these? The things which are near to you, and that and those, the things which are far from you. So let's start. First, let us learn what is demonstrative adjective. Children, it describes a noun. Like we have already learned that adjective is a describing word. And what does it describe? It describes a noun or a pronoun. But here demonstrative adjective, it describes a noun. Let's see example. This chair is broken. Can you find a noun here? See children, here noun is chair. And which word is modifying a noun? Which word is describing this chair? This. So this is an adjective. But which kind of adjective? It is demonstrative adjective. Like we have already learned that this, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjective. So it's very easy to find a difference, children. If any word, if any adjective is describing any noun, it will become demonstrative adjective. Fine. When this, that, these, and those will come. Like let's see the second example. That car is expensive. Again, please find noun here. Car. Car is noun. And which word is modifying it? That. So again, that is demonstrative adjective. Like third example is these clothes are wet. So clothes, it's noun. And these, it's demonstrative adjective. And in the last example, those birds are flying south. Again, birds, it's noun. And which word is describing it? Those. So those will become demonstrative adjective. In the same way, children, demonstrative pronoun identifies someone or something. Let's see, like noun, we have already read that any word which comes in place of a noun is called a pronoun. So let's see example of demonstrative pronoun. This is my chair. See children, first we have read this chair. Fine. So this was demonstrative adjective because it was identifying and modifying a noun. But here this is my chair. So children, you will get confused that here this was demonstrative adjective, but why here this is demonstrative pronoun? So answer is, in first sentence, this chair is broken, chair was noun, and the word this, it is modifying a noun, so it has become demonstrative adjective. But here this is my chair, here it is not modifying any noun, and this is followed by a verb. Fine. So it will become demonstrative pronoun. And here this chair is noun. Fine. But it which word is modifying it? My. Which word is describing chair? My. So my will become possessive adjective. This I will explain you in my next video. Fine. So here concentrate only on demonstrative adjective and pronouns. Now that is Peter's house. Again, that is followed by is, and is a helping verb, auxiliary verb, so that is again demonstrative pronoun. Now these are her clothes. Again, these, children, this is followed by are, that is a verb, so again these will become demonstrative pronoun. And those are migrating birds. Again it is modifying those is followed by helping verb, so those will become demonstrative pronoun. And one more thing, children, when you are using this and that, you will use singular verb like is, and when you are using these and those, you will use plural verb like are. These things you know. Now let's see some more rules, like what are the other rules to be followed. Like first one is demonstrative adjectives modify the noun, just now we have read, and demonstrative pronouns replace the noun. As usual, its work is to replace the noun, right? I am giving one example, like this car is blue in color. So this car is noun, and which word is modifying it? This. So this will become demonstrative adjective. In the same way, this is my car. So again, this is followed by verb, helping verb, so it will become demonstrative pronoun. The next one is demonstrative adjectives are followed by a noun. Just we have read this car. So car is noun, and this is a demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjectives are followed by a noun. And in the second one, demonstrative pronouns are not followed by noun. Why? Because it is followed by a verb. Now demonstrative adjectives are not followed by the main verb. Just now we have read, because demonstrative adjectives are followed by noun. And the last one is demonstrative pronouns are often followed by the main verb. Just now we have read. So what's the most important thing, children, you have to keep in your mind? That demonstrative adjectives describe noun. So it's very important that beside adjective, noun should be there. And pronoun, we know it is used in place of a noun. So you have to replace noun. So demonstrative pronoun, it should always be followed by the verb. So this is the basic difference. Please remember it. You will never face problem. I hope you have understood what is the difference. That's all for today, children. Thank you.